Flagship phones are getting better every year, but is the Xiaomi 15 Pro the one to beat them all? With cutting-edge performance, jaw-dropping cameras, and lightning-fast charging, it's making bold claims. But does it truly deliver? Let's explore what makes this phone a serious contender or not. Let's start with the design, because honestly, I believe Xiaomi really outdid itself this time. The Xiaomi 15 Pro feels luxurious the moment you pick it up. It has this sleek, minimalistic aesthetic that screams premium. The aluminum frame paired with the ceramic back gives it a solid feel, but it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. And the curved edges? Perfect for a comfortable grip. Now, what caught my eye first was the camera module. It's bold, rectangular, and unapologetically stands out. Personally, I love it because it adds character to the phone. But hey, I know not everyone is a fan of prominent camera bumps. One of the best parts? It's available in some stunning color options. My favorite is the moonlit silver, but if you're into bolder choices, the midnight blue might be your jam. Now, let's talk durability. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, which is a must these days. I believe this gives you peace of mind because, let's face it, accidents happen. The display. It's a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with minimal bezels. The 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate make everything, gaming, scrolling, binge watching, look buttery smooth. Oh, and the under-display finger scanner is super fast. Xiaomi's really stepping up in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. But is the design perfect? Not entirely. The glossy back is a fingerprint magnet, so unless you're rocking a case, prepare to wipe it constantly. Still, I believe the Xiaomi 15 Pro's design is one of its strongest points. It's premium, practical, and feels way more expensive than its price tag suggests. Let's talk power, because the Xiaomi 15 Pro doesn't hold back. Under the hood, we've got the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and trust me, this thing is fast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos on the go, it handles everything like a champ. In my experience, apps open instantly and switching between them feels seamless. I believe Xiaomi really nailed optimization here. And for gamers, the Adreno GPU ensures smooth graphics with no noticeable frame drops. I tested titles like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact both on max settings, and it didn't even break a sweat. Now, for the storage and RAM combo, Xiaomi offers up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. That's more than enough for the average user, and even for heavy multitaskers. Moving to software, the Xiaomi 15 Pro runs on MIUI 15 based on Android 14. I know MIUI has its critics, but I believe it's come a long way. The interface is clean, and the bloatware has been significantly reduced. Plus, there are so many customization options from the themes to the gestures, but here's the thing, ads. Yeah, they still pop up in certain apps, which can be annoying. I wish Xiaomi would cut them out entirely, especially on a flagship device like this. Battery life? Stellar. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. And the 120W fast charging insanely quick. You can go from 0 to 100 in just 19 minutes. I mean, that's faster than brewing a cup of coffee. So, performance-wise, I believe the Xiaomi 15 Pro can take on any flagship out there. It's snappy, powerful, and future-proof. If you're someone who values raw power and efficiency, this phone won't disappoint. Now, onto the cameras, because let's be honest, this is where most of us focus when picking a new phone. The Xiaomi 15 Pro packs a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto lens. Yup, all 50MP. Crazy, right? The main camera is where the magic happens. It uses Sony's latest IMX989 sensor, which captures stunning photos with amazing detail and color accuracy. I tested it in different lighting conditions, and I believe it excels across the board. Daylight shots are vibrant without being overly saturated, and low light performance is impressive thanks to the advanced AI algorithms. The ultra-wide lens is no slouch either. It has a 115-degree field of view, which is perfect for landscapes or group photos. The quality is consistent with the main camera, which isn't always the case with ultra-wide lenses on other phones. Now the telephoto lens. With 5x optical zoom and up to 50x digital zoom, it's great for capturing distant subjects. While the digital zoom can get a bit noisy at max levels, the optical zoom produces sharp and clear shots. One feature I loved, the Pro mode. If you're someone who likes tweaking settings like ISO, shutter speed, and focus, you'll have a blast with it. As for videos, the Xiaomi 15 Pro can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second. The stabilization is solid, even when you're moving around. And for vloggers, the front 32MP camera is excellent. Selfies are crisp, with natural skin tones and just the right amount of background blur. Do I think the Xiaomi 15 Pro has the best camera setup in its class? Honestly, I believe it's right up there with the big players like Samsung and Apple. If photography or videography is a priority for you, this phone is a serious contender. If you're into gaming, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is an absolute beast. I believe this phone is built for gamers who want smooth, immersive gameplay without compromise. First, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Adreno GPU ensure top-tier performance. Games like PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, and Asphalt 9 run flawlessly, even on the highest settings. The 120Hz refresh rate adds that extra layer of smoothness, making every frame pop. What's even better is the phone's heat management. Xiaomi has integrated an advanced cooling system that keeps temperatures in check, even during extended gaming sessions. No more sweaty palms from overheating phones. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support are another win. Whether you're dodging bullets in a battle royale or cruising through a racing game, the audio experience pulls you right in. And let's not forget the 240Hz touch sampling rate. It's a game changer for competitive gaming, making every tap and swipe feel incredibly responsive. So for gamers, I believe the Xiaomi 15 Pro offers everything you need for a premium experience: performance, visuals, and sound. In terms of connectivity, the Xiaomi 15 Pro checks all the boxes. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and a stable connection whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go. One standout feature is the dual SIM capability. I believe this is super handy if you travel a lot or juggle work and personal numbers. Extras like NFC and an IR blaster are here too. I've always found the IR blaster convenient for controlling TVs and ACs. It's a small feature, but it adds versatility. For audiophiles, there's no headphone jack, but Xiaomi includes a high-quality USB-C to 3.5mm adapter in the box. And the stereo speakers are excellent, as I mentioned earlier. Xiaomi also includes support for satellite communication, which could be a lifesaver in remote areas. Finally, let's address the big question. Is the Xiaomi 15 Pro worth its price tag? At around $900, it's not exactly cheap, but compared to other flagships, it offers incredible value. Here's why I believe it's worth considering. You're getting a top-tier display, cutting-edge performance, a premium design, and a versatile camera setup, all at a price significantly lower than its competitors. Take the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the iPhone 15 Pro Max, for example. Sure, they're fantastic devices, but you're paying at least $300 to $400 more. With the Xiaomi 15 Pro, you're getting nearly the same level of performance and features without breaking the bank. I also appreciate that Xiaomi includes a 120W charger in the box. Seriously, how many brands still do that? It's a small thing, but it shows they're not cutting corners. Now let's not ignore the downsides. The software ads, as I mentioned earlier, are a bummer. And while MIUI is feature-rich, it's not as polished as stock Android or iOS. If you're someone who prefers a simpler, cleaner UI, this might be a deal breaker. Another thing to consider is brand perception. Xiaomi is still building its reputation in certain markets, and some people might hesitate to pick it over more established brands. But honestly, I believe that's changing. Phones like the 15 Pro are proving that Xiaomi can compete with the best of the best. At the end of the day, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is an all-rounder. It's powerful, stylish, and packed with features that cater to almost everyone. If you're looking for a flagship experience without flagship pricing, this phone deserves a spot on your list. So, what do you think about the Xiaomi 15 Pro? Is it the ultimate flagship killer, or does it miss the mark? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.